Hello, hello, hello. So I went to Dollar Tree today. I know I haven't done a video in a while, but I went to Dollar Tree today and I'm not doing a haul. I bought some paints, as you can see. I was really surprised that Dollar Tree had these paints. They're Prang paints. It's a big bottle. I mean, it's not huge, but it's big. Normally their bottles that they were selling, I think were like this big. Anyway, these were $1.25 at Dollar Tree. And I have been wanting to paint. I have not painted really ever. I mean, I've painted, but not like, I'm not a painter. So anyway, I was gonna do this I was just gonna try to do something just to get out of my headspace, to be creative, to do something. And then when I came home, I was Googling and YouTubing to see what to do. So that's where I got the idea of what I'm gonna do today. But anyway, all these paints are from Dollar Tree. They were $1.25. My table's covered in a shower curtain from Dollar Tree, $1.25. The canvas that I'm using is Dollar Tree, $1.25. I wanted to get the bigger one, and I have one, but I think I'm going to use this flat one. So it's not really a canvas. It's this panel. I don't know. It's a canvas. And then I'm using this tray to catch any paint. And this is a kitty litter tray from Dollar Tree, $1.25. And then I have wax paper in it. And I didn't get this particular wax paper from Dollar Tree, but they have wax paper. So anyway, that's my little backstory. I have no idea how this is going to turn out. I've never done it before, so welcome aboard. Let's see how it happens. I should have opened this first. And sorry about the camera angle. If any of y'all have made videos, you know it is not easy to get a good camera angle, but this is what we're going with, y'all. This is what we're going with. So I was looking up like what you can do with different paints, because like I said, I've tried painting before in the past and I never can paint like what's in my head. It never comes out on the canvas. So I know I'm creative and I want to be creative, but then I get frustrated because it doesn't come out how I want it. So I saw this and I guess maybe y'all have heard about it. I have not. It's called pour paint or pour. Yeah, I think like pouring. I don't know. Before I get my hands like all dirty, I just want to show y'all. I also got this really cool bag. I love hearts. So I got this really cool bag from Dollar Tree as well to hold all my stuff in. And then I have like a few more canvases here. And somehow I grabbed an extra green. So I actually got 12 paints, but I got 2 greens somehow. Anyway, so that's to hold all my stuff. Okay, 3 minutes in and I haven't started. Here we go. So you can skip to 3 minutes. I'll try to put that on there. So it's called pour paint. And basically you put the paint in here and then you're going to like pour it on the canvas. So it's very abstract. So since I have like no idea of how it's going to come out, then it's less frustrating if it doesn't come out how I had an idea, because there's no idea. So I just have this little cup. Dollar Tree sells cups, but I didn't get any because I didn't know I was going to do this. But I just cut down like a 12-ounce cup to this size. I have no idea what colors to use. This was like totally spur of the moment, not planned at all, y'all. So I'm just sprinkling. Can y'all see that? What's the best angle? Just sprinkling in some different paint. Now a lot of them that I watched, they said that they added stuff to the paints, like they added silicone or they added water. Some of them added glue, some of them added something that I don't remember. I screenshotted it. I don't know what it's called, but I'm not adding anything else. So we're just gonna see how this is gonna come out. So this is just these Prang Tempera paints from Dollar Tree. Nothing added. Nothing fancy. I'm just gonna try this. Dun dun dun. And basically what you're just, like I said, you choose your colors, you put them in the cup, and then they're just going to mix however they mix. So again, I haven't made videos in a while, so y'all leave me some comments. Let me know what you think about this video. Who knows if it's gonna turn out or if it's even gonna be posted, y'all. I don't even know how much storage I have. Okay, so this is what I have so far. I think because this canvas is kind of big, I'm thinking I need more, but don't know. So I'm just kind of like layering it. Like I put some white and then I put some other colors. That seems like a lot now. I mean, it's only a dot. Wow. That paint just shot way over here, y'all, to this, to my other table. So be careful when setting these bottles down. Apparently they can be projectile, just FYI. Okay. Yeah, I'm thinking this is too thick. So it might just be a big blob, I don't know. I guess that's why they were saying the added water. But it didn't look that thick when I was first messing with it. Okay, I don't know. This is what I have. So basically you take this, your paint. I don't know if it's gonna go anywhere, y'all. Okay, and then you just turn it upside down and let it sit a while. Not a while, but let it sit. I'm thinking like maybe 30 seconds since it's so thick. Y'all leave me comments. Have you ever done this? Would you ever do this? Oh my gosh, it's too thick, I think. Yeah, theirs ran quite a bit more than that. And then so you can also take like the extra they showed, like just sprinkling it around, because sometimes, especially if it's thicker, like obviously mine is, it might not run all the way out to the edges, so this way you already have paint out here if you need some, you know, extra paint. So yeah, obviously I'm gonna have to try this again with adding the water, but I didn't have like extra containers either. Like they were showing that you can put the paint in like ketchup and mustard like squeezer bottles, you know, those condiment bottles you get at Dollar Tree. I kind of like how this looks right now. Can y'all see the whole thing? Let me see. Yeah, but this is totally not how it's supposed to work. Just FYI. It's supposed to spread naturally on its own. Look how pretty that is. So, obviously it's art. You just go with it, right? So then once it does kind of spread on its own, then you do this part anyway. So let's just do this part here. But yeah, it was totally supposed to spread a little more on its own. I actually like how this looks already, y'all. It's very creative. Even with just splashing. Yeah, so I think I'm definitely more of an abstract artist, because when I try to paint like a sunset or a ocean picture, like it just comes out really bad and then I get really frustrated. My mom can paint pretty good, but I guess I didn't get that gene, you know. And I'm wearing gloves. I wouldn't mind getting paint everywhere, but you know, I don't know how well this washes off. And most of the people were using acrylics, so just FYI, again, I'm just using like kids paint, tempera paint, because I just grabbed what was there, y'all. So now I'm like struggling to see if I should. Wish I could have done this live so there's people to like give me suggestions. I don't know if I should use my fingers to fill in some of the spaces. I don't want to mess it up. Again, it's art. It's beauty is in the eye of the beholder, so I guess technically, you know, I can't mess it up, but I don't want to mess it up. glad that I saw somebody mentioning about like to have this tray down here, because that's even faster and easier cleanup. It's kind of cool because while I'm shaking it, I can see it in the camera. So I'm kind of liking how that looks. I don't know if I want to, I don't know if I want to smear it like that. I kind of do want the whole thing to be covered. Okay, I guess this is where being a painter gets messy. Okay, I'm gonna grab these bottles, y'all. Now they're gonna be. I don't know if this is a good idea or not, but here we go. This was totally not the how-to. I guess I should have listened and put water, but I really like how these colors look though. I guess I'm using my fingers here. I just want to fill in like some of the white. Like, how does that look? I can't really tell. It's upside down to me. I'm wondering if when anybody's watching this back, if they're going to be like, no, don't do that. Okay, I don't think it looks too terrible. It's not, you know, get some of these mixed colors. And apparently this takes like a really long time to dry because it's so much paint. Sorry, am I holding it? I'm like really focused on what I'm doing. I'm not looking at the camera. Hope y'all can see. Okay, I think I'm going to see. I mean, it feels really thin. I don't know. Okay, don't really have any green down here. Let's see. It sounds like it's coming out, but it's not coming out. I don't want it to have like fingerprints, you know. y'all think? I mean, it's art. It's art. It's abstract art. It's really pretty colors. I like the colors. I kind of don't like the textures up at the top where I had to do like finger painting, but I mean,